Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be having some pork chops, but also we're going to be trying for the first time Kosmos barbecue rub. This is their dirty bird for beef, pork, and chicken. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright, so this is our first video of 2023 and I decided to try some new. And I've been wanting to try Kosmos product for the last year. So I finally did it. I figured let's start this year with the bang. And we're doing Kosmos barbecue rub. The dirty bird. Dirty bird barbecue rub from Kosmos. Now we got these nice size pork chops. Boneless pork chops. They're not thin either. They're nice and a little thick there. On the thick side. That's how we like them. So let's get it going with some of this rub. So every time that I buy a new rub, I always open it and then I have to give it a smell. It smells pretty good. And I do that to every rub I get. That I've a new rub that I always try for the first time. I always smell it. That's just my thing, I guess. I don't know if you guys do it. Let me know if you guys do it. Or I'm the only one that does it. So on these pork chops, I have no binder on them, nothing. They look nice and moist. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some of this, a nice amount. Give it a little pat. Now we're going to turn it around and we're going to do the same thing. Give it a nice heavy coat of this rub on these pork chops. I want it to be flavorful. And I'm really excited to try it. Now we're going to be cooking this on our Traeger grill. We're going to do them at 275. We're looking at about 30 to 45 minutes. But these are a little thicker than I normally do them. I'm going to keep an eye on them. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Traeger. All right, our Traeger's at 275 degrees. Let's put these right in the middle. And I'll be back in a half hour to check to see where they're at. We'll be back. All right, it's been a half hour. Let's see where we're at. 144. 140. Go ahead and turn them around. We'll be back in 10 minutes. Alright guys, so let's see where we're at. We are good to go. Let's take them out. Before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright, so here we have it. Now, a couple of things you guys might want to know before you guys try this is always, like if this takes 45 minutes, always check it before the whole 45 minutes. Like you guys saw that I checked it at a half hour because I knew that was a safe zone. A half hour is not going to get done, but at least I have an eye on it, know where I'm at, so know how far it is. Because sometimes some Traegers run hotter than other ones. I noticed mine lately has been going a little low. When I came out earlier, it was at 235 and then it jumped right back up to 275. So lately it's been doing that. Before I used to just stay within 10 degrees from the 275. So when you guys do yours, always check it halfway mark just to see where you guys are at. Like this took 45 minutes. I would suggest you guys check it at a half hour just to kind of see, have an idea if it will take that extra 15 minutes or it might even take even longer. That being said, I know you guys want to see how this Kosmos tastes like. Let me know down in the comments if you guys already tried this and which one is your favorite. Because like I said, this year I want to be trying things that I haven't tried before, and I'm starting with the Kosmos because I've heard a lot of great things about it. If you haven't tried any of the Kosmos, then I guess you're waiting for me to see how this tastes. Now, lucky for me, this was at Walmart. They carry two types of rubs from Kosmos, so it was great. This is the one that I chose, so let's see if it's good. So now let's go ahead and give it a nice cut, because I really want to try this rub. How good it looks in there. Looks all nice. Looks a little juicy. You see that juiciness? Now, here is the grand finale. This is it right here. I've been waiting a whole year to try Kosmos. Are they any good? Let's go ahead and try it out. Okay. That's some great flavor though. It tastes good. It tastes really good. This is not bad at all. This is not bad at all. Okay. This is good. I can see why they're real popular. It has, I like it. I really do like it. I really want to try their glazes. I don't know if you guys also try their rib glaze. Ooh, man. You can see how that might taste. But so far, this rub, worth it. If you haven't tried it, give this a try. It is really great. I think I love it. Definitely will use it a lot more. Now I'm curious to try their other rubs they got. I'm gonna have to go back to Walmart and get that other one they got. Give that a try. And then go online and order more of their rubs, because I know they have quite a few different types of rubs. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. First video for 2023. I hope you guys give this a like, give this a subscribe. Really appreciate that. And I hope to see you guys next time.